aha mukoro ogwahikwaho enkuyanja y'abantu aba barimu abembezi ba gavumenti ab'edini hamwe n'abakuru Amahe kandi gwatandika shaha 5 z'akasheshe omuro kyamugurani omuri kakiika General David Muhozi yashoborera kuwa mukikuru wabo atwire n'abamanya bona hatari mukushorora kandi akafayo kureba ngo bona bahika uruhanga yabendize.
It is feminine with a purpose because it is mothers who know us most. Our mother knew each of us inside out, but long and short of it, she knew us. Today's send-off, therefore, like there also is a special tribute to her and her husband who is still alive for kutuzara in total or completely. You can kuzara and produce and throw away, but they went all the way in their modest but generous way to raise us and the others that came into their home in a good way. We did not lack, but also they imparted on us a very comprehensive and fine education.
Ogu yayongera agira ngo abakazi bona bashemerere kuhebwe kitinisa abo kuzara no kureberera abana no murimo gw'amani.
Okuzara uko abantu babiri konka abakazi kandi bonu bateshumba. The women bear the bulk of producing, creating life. Childbearing, pangs of birth, breastfeeding or feeding other than breastfeeding, nursing, nurturing, raising children, shaping and imparting values. Ebibyona ebintu by'abakazi bakora.
Rahanga bakunda bakamata bichiriza kushasha. Nichato ajire mawe and his timing I think was the best. Nichamtu ajire atasasi hata muretere kuzombusa sobo. Nyenyi nsima rahanga mnonga. Nyenda kusimira rahanga magaragaza ile bitu. Data yafa Myaka 9 tata Myaka 9
kandi omu butumwa obwo mudumizi w'amahege y'ihanga General Muhozi Kainerugaba obwashomwa Lieutenant General Muhanga Kayanja yashaba ibibyo nebyo Omugyenzi yakozire okubyijuka kukongera amani no mutima gw'obumanzi omuri General David Muhozi hamwe n'ekayona.
And as you can imagine, the pain of losing a parent cannot be fully expressed by words only. As the UPDF family, we sympathize with your sorrow and join in prayer, seeking comfort from the Almighty during this trying time. May the memories of General David's mother serve as a source of strength, and may you find comfort in her legacy of love during this period of mourning.
Mu butumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga obwashomwa General Kahinda Afereire yashobora ko Omugyenzi Edinansi abirari enyomyo mpango ahantunguka y'ihanga kandi yabira yibembire ehuriro yo kurwanira ubugabe bw'umwana we mushiki hamwe no mukazi kandi cyihanga riragumenera mwijukiraho.
The nation serves as a mother, great wisdom, and a community leader and an elder who contributed to the development of Uganda. We lost a great patriot. Women are a pillar of a prosperous nation and greatly contribute to the success of their children. The NRM government is totally committed to total empowerment of women as a necessary seal for the socio-economic transformation of our country. Omugyenzi Edinansi will be remembered for her great contribution towards the national development. She was an advocate for women and the girl child. She will be remembered as an icon of women empowerment.
Kandi omubigambo bye General Kahinda Afereire yagira ngo Omugyenzi yasiga abana abakozire umurimo muhango omukurwanirira ihanga kandi yashaba ebi yakozire kube cyo kureberaho omukayaro bakuba hamwe n'ihanga ryona.
She leaves behind an inspiring and enviable legacy of hard work and piety, which attributes should be emulated by all Ugandans, especially the young generation. We shall remember her as a staunch Christian. She was a good steward who was given 5 talents and she multiplied them tenfold.
Edinansi Kyomugyemo akazarwa kibanza okwezi kwa kashatu mwaka gwa 1937 kandi yafa kibanza okwa 2024 ha myaka 97 y'obukuru kandi yazikwera izoba omuri kyamugorani kakiika mbarra site.
Kuko nitekateka kintu akika kinganda oshangu yali omuntu nchobagire kinshobeye ampa answer no mushege ndi umuteizi ko kansteka kimwe we are ideologically the same. He is not my Minister of State, he is not my assistant, he is my brother in thinking. Jero Mhozi, wewe ni kumbera.
Job Kato habwa Sky TV agenshonga omuri Mbarara.